learn web development with IK, video 8, HTML link, PHP link. Open Notepad++, type 3 HTML links like this. Tag for HTML tag for links is A from Anchorage, is A, angle brackets A, and closed, this is open tag A, this is close tag A. Here is name of that link, name what we see on the web page. Inside first Anchorage tag, first link tag, we have argument. Here is href. It is reference of address where address would follow after click on post 1. This is relative address because there is no all path, but only name of that page. Relative, it is address relative to this page, what we look at and create now. It means that this page with menu and pages post 1, post 2, post 3 lay in the same folder. Okay. This is 3 links for post 1. Address is post1.htm, post 2 and post 3. 3 links. We have spacebar here. Okay. Save it. File save as. It is save as with name menu.htm. Menu.htm, all types. I have saved it earlier. Okay. Now you type, open a new Notepad document and type this post 1 and blah blah blah. Open a new document and type post 2 blah 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 and new document, Notepad document and post 3 and blah blah blah. Post 1 you say with the name post1.htm, post 2.htm, post 3.htm. We save all 3. We just have created 4 web pages, all for a poor HTML document. Because of that, they have extension HTML. Open web browser and type this address: localhost/learnweb/blog/ menu.htm, and we have 3 links. Click on the post 1 link, we have post 1, we have post1.htm. Back, click on the post 2, we have post 2.htm, and click post 3, we have post 3.htm. Open again Notepad++ and create a page index.php, and all in the same like video before. We have for constant what we need for connection our PHP page with the database, and that constant name of that constant is capital letters, db_host, db_username, db_password, and db_name. It is on the double quote, and in a second, and it is name of constant, and a second argument is value of that constant. First value is localhost, second value of username is root, password we have not password, and we don't need here in that example password, and the name of the database is blog. It is, and the $link variable is function mysql i_connect, and in the brackets we have our for constant like argument without quota, like argument, and that function with that argument will connect our page, our document, this document will connect with database, concretely with the server of database MySQL, with platform MySQL, and concretely with the database named blog. That connection is in variable $link. Variable $SQL is SQL query with inside quote, double quote, and semicolon. Semicolon we have on the end of every instructions, of every statement, we have a semicolon, and select asterisk from menu. It means give me complete table menu. And in variable $SQL we will have all complete table named menu. And now result function MySQL i_query. There is two parameter, two argument, $link and $SQL. It means connection. This function must have connection and must have query, and with that two argument we will have in a $result. In the $result we will have that what we ask from database, and we ask complete table. It is in that variable we will have complete table menu from database block. And now we have while, loop while, and inside the curly brackets we must write links. These our links. You look at, but because we have a loop, we must write one order for one link, common sense, one link, and because we have loop and $row and this function will go in table menu, and every row of data will process in curly brackets one by one. And because in one row we have post 1, process will calculate and write a menu for post 1. After that, in table we have post 2, and after that post 3. How we will make it, create it, like this. Print must be print. Okay. We are in PHP, and you look at it is double print must have double quote around string, but we will not have all string, and we have string anchorage. It is HTML A for link, href, but we see we have here double quote, but inside the double quote we must go with one quote, and single quote, not double, but single quote, and we write index PHP. It means that we not call post1 HTML, but we call index PHP, question mark, we write question mark, we write some name. It is, I write menu ID because it is about menu ID. It is a variable in address. It is name of variable in address, equal, and we close double quote, but not closed one quote, because there is something else, and the dot, here is a dot. It is space bar, because of visualization, better clear writing. And now we have $row, it is variable, in square brackets with single quote, menu underscore ID, it is name of columns in table. It means that we will have here 1, after that 2, 3. How many row we have? We have 3 rows. And the dot means dot here. Dot means concatenate. Concatenate, it means adding string. What is adding for number? And plus, and operator for adding is plus. Here is a dot. Operator for concatenate. Concatenate is is we call concatenate is a name for adding string. It is one string. It is one string, and we have operator for concatenate, for adding. Here is a variable. There is no quote around, but argument inside the square brackets there is a quote, but must be single quote, because oh no, here we can make double quote, because it is in because it is independent part, because there is no here double quote, and because there is no here double quote, we can go inside with double quote, and after that we have dot again, and closing brackets with double quote. This is first string, this is string also in double quote, but inside we have single quote. Here is a single quote, it is pair of that single quote. After that we have operator for concatenate, and variable $row give us name and again operator for concatenate, and string with spacebar. With spacebar, that we have spacebar between, that we have space between links. And this is HTML tag, closing HTML tag, and semicolon on the end. Now I clear, save it. I save it in index.php. I save as. In the blog, it is index.php. Link is hardxc xampp htdocs learn web blog, and in blog it is index.php. I save it earlier. I have saved it earlier. And now I'm going to web browser and open index.php. We have post 1, post 2, post 3, 3 links. Click on the one. Look at, we have in address index.php (menu ID 1). Click post 2 link, we have number 2 here, and post 3, we have post 3. It's all for this video. In the next video we continue this script, because we need content visualize, and we need to have content on the screen. If we look at view page source, we will have 3, 1 link, and you see strictly one single quote, and here is single quote. You look at menu ID equal 1, menu ID equal 2, and the menu ID equal 3. Visible part of the link is post 1, post 2, and post 3. HTML, it is beginning, HTML tag for link, and this is closed tag for link. Close tag for link. Inside we have one argument, it is href equal under quote, in this example single quote, we have index.php question mark menu ID equal 1. This variable in address, menu ID equal 1, menu ID equal 2, menu ID equal 3, in the next video will help us for connection to content.